Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This session I am going to teach about how to design the full adder circuit using two half adder circuit. So this topic is very familiar. So most of the students cover this topic in digital electronics, studied in digital electronics. So how to design the full adder circuit using two half adder circuit. So this video I focus the designing concept and also program writing concept. So first I designed the full adder circuit using two half adder. So afterwards I write the Verilog HDL program for the same design. So first I draw the full adder circuit. So it's a block diagram. So block diagram of full adder circuit. So in this full adder circuit it need a three input values that namely called as A, B, C in. The corresponding output namely called as sum and carry. So this is the block diagram of full adder circuit. So this session I am designing the full adder circuit using two half adder circuit. So let me draw the block diagram of half adder. So this one is half adder circuit. It has a two input and two output combinational circuit. The input namely called as A and B. So outputs are sum and carry. So now I draw the logic diagram of half adder circuit. So logic diagram. So logic diagram or logic circuits. So in this logic diagram, two logic gates are present. One namely called as XOR gate. So another one namely called as AND gate. So inputs are AB. So this AB is connected to input of AND gate. So output of XOR gate is called as sum. Output of AND gate called as carry. So this is the simple logical diagram of half adder circuit. So the equation of sum is A XOR B. So equation of carry is A dot B. So input of AND gate is AB. So output of AND gate you can get the expression A dot B. So this is the simple logic diagram of half adder circuit. Now I move on to design the full adder circuit using two half adder circuit. So let me draw the two half adder circuit first. So it's a one half adder circuit. It's another half adder circuit. So output of the first XOR gate is connected to input of the second XOR gate, and the third input is C in. So C in is connected to second input of XOR gate. So the output of the first XOR gate is connected to input of first AND gate. Then the C in is given to AND operation and also XOR operation input values. So in this circuit we have a 2 carry. So this signal 1 carry. So it's a carry 2 and carry 1. So finally you add these two carry value using the OR gate. You get the final carry output. So this one is called as a sum. So it's a half adder 1. So half adder 1. So this one is the half adder 2. Half adder 2. So this output of XOR gate is represent A XOR B and output of AND gate is represent A dot B. So this A dot B is the carry value, A XOR B is the sum value. So sum value of the half adder circuit. So this output is given to the input of second XOR gate. So A XOR B. So another input is C in. So C in is connected to second input of XOR. So C in. So output of this XOR gate is A XOR B XOR C in. So it's the output of sum. Now we go to find the carry value. So carry 1 is A dot B. So this input is A dot B. Then so this A XOR B is given to first input of AND gate and second input of AND gate is C in. So carry 2 is A XOR B dot C in. So these two values given to the OR gate input. Finally you can get just addition of these two input value A XOR B dot C in. So after simplification, so this simplification method you studied in digital electronics, just you refer it. So after simplification you get the result AB, BC, then AC. So it's a carry equations. So this is the simple design of full adder circuit designed using two half adder circuit. So based on this circuit we can write the programs. So let me draw the block diagram of this logic circuit. So using this block diagram I am writing the Verilog HDL code. So this one represents half adder 1. So this one represents half adder 2. So input of half adder is A and B. So these two signals are input of half adder circuit. So output sum and carry. So sum value is A XOR B. So carry is A dot B. Then output of this sum is connected to input of half adder circuit and C in is given to the another input of half adder circuit 2 and outputs are sum and carry. So this carry and half adder 1 carry output is given to input of OR gate. So output of OR gate we get the carry. So this one we get the sum. So it's a block diagram of this given problem. So here I am using 3 wire signals. So this one wire 1. So sum value is connected to input of half adder 1. So it's called as a wire 1. So another signal is this carry. So this carry is considered as a wire 2 signal. Then half adder 2 carry also considered as wire signal. So W3. So in this block diagram we have a 3 wire signals. So W1, W2 and W3. So these 3 signals considered as a wire signal. So remaining these 3 are input signals and these 2 are output signals. So using this block diagram now I am going to write the Verilog HDL program. So first write module, then module name. So full adder design using 2 half adder. So it's the module name. So afterwards declare the input port and output port within a bracket. So output. So in this block diagram we have a 2 outputs, sum and carry. So sum comma carry. Then I declare input port. So input signals are A, B, C. So these 3 signals consider input signals. So this syntax comes under IEEE standard 1364 2002, 2005. So this concept I already explained in the previous video. If you need it, kindly refer it. So next declaration of wire signal. So in this block diagram we have a 3 wire signal W1, W2 and W3. So W1, W2, W3. So these 3 signals are considered wire signal. Now I am going to explain the operation. So let me take first OR gate. So OR operation, OR. So OR operation within a bracket, declare the output and inputs. So output of OR gate is carry. So carry is the output and inputs are W3 and W2. So these 2 wire signals are given to the input of OR gate. So wire 2 comma wire 3. Then I am going to write the expression for half adder 2. So half adder. So half adder 2. So this module consider M2. So M2, M1. So this half adder namely called as M2. This half adder namely called as M1. So half adder M2. So output of M2 is carry and sum. So this carry is the wire signal W3. So here write sum comma W3. So these 2 signals are output of M2, and now I am writing the input signal for half adder 2. So input signals are W1 and Cin. So W1 and Cin. So these 2 signals are input of half adder 2. Then I am taking half adder 1. So that namely called as M1. So in this M1 output is W1 and W2. So these 2 signals are output signal. W1 and W2 is the output signal. So input of M1 is A comma B. So this A comma B is the input signal. So finally you close the module. So after writing all the gate operations, finally you write end module. So this is the simple way to write the program for full adder circuit using 2 half adder circuit. So first you draw the logical diagram. So afterwards this logical diagram is converted into block diagram. So using this block diagram you can write the program very easy manner. So I hope you understand the concept very well. If you are watching first time in my video, kindly subscribe and support us to make a lot of videos. Thanks for watching my channel. Thank you.